Once upon a time, in a magical village called Wizardwood, lived a clever little boy named George Weasley. George was known for his quick wit and his love for magic. One sunny day, George decided to bake a magical cake for his friends. He gathered the ingredients from his mother's pantry, including a special magical flower, the Whomping Willow Blossom. As he mixed the ingredients together, he hummed a happy tune. Suddenly, the Whomping Willow Blossom began to dance. George quickly grabbed it and put it back into the mixture. The cake dough began to glow, and magical sparks flew out. George's little brother, Fred, walked in and was amazed. "George, what's happening?" he asked. "I'm making a magical cake," George replied with a grin. "But I need your help now." Fred helped his brother, and together they added a final touch, a dash of love and a whisper of a secret spell. The cake was ready. As they presented the cake to their friends, it began to grow and grow, filling the room with a warm, golden glow. The friends were amazed and enjoyed the tastiest, most magical cake they had ever eaten. That night, George and Fred went to sleep with big smiles on their faces, knowing they had shared something truly wonderful with their friends. The end.